In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a passcode on YouTube Kids. So to create a passcode on YouTube Kids, the first thing I'm going to do is head over to the YouTube Kids app. And you can do this by going to the top right hand corner to YouTube apps. Once you click on that, you will have an option here for YouTube Kids. Once you open up YouTube Kids, it will obviously load up and then you'll be brought to this page here. Select the account you want, so I'll just select this one right now. And from here, if I want to create a passcode, all I need to do is simply head over to the top right hand corner of the screen to the padlock. Once you click on the padlock, which is parental controls, as you can see, I have already created a passcode, so I can enter in my passcode here. But what you will have to solve a sum, and then once you have done that, you can simply put it in and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, as you can see under parent verification, there is an option now to change my passcode, and that's because I have already set one up, but for you it will say create a passcode. So all you need to do is click on this drop down menu. All you need to do now is enter in a passcode. Once you have entered in a passcode, you can click on change passcode, or in your case it will be create. Click on that, and then what that will do is you can see now the passcode has been set. So every time you get prompted to enter in a passcode, you will be able to enter in the one you have just created. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like down below, comment letting me know if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.